welcome back to my channel. My name is Desiree Nicole. Here on this channel I make all things mommyhood, DIYs around the house, fitness videos, you name it. So today I will be reviewing the Rustoleum furniture transformation kit. I bought this kit from Home Depot. I think it was $30 something, like $35. I bought it to transform my guest bathroom vanity. I'm slowly doing small things around the house to try to remodel and make the house more updated, I guess, with current time. So the cabinet that came with the house was like a basic brown, a reddish tone vanity, had a gray-brown countertop on it. So I wanted to kind of update it, make it fresh and modern, and just make it look more clean. So for the base of the vanity, for the cabinet, I decided to go with the furniture transformation just because I felt like it was the perfect amount of paint for this project that I wanted to do, and I wanted to test it out. Now I do have experience with the Rustoleum kits. In my last house, I redid the whole kitchen, which was a 2-week process, might I add. It took a while, but they came out looking great. I've had good experience with them, so I want to try it in this bathroom. So with this particular cabinet, I decided to do something a little bit different, and I decided to go with the Nightfall blue. It's like a dark, you get these kits, they come with a basic white paint inside. The base coat is like a basic white paint. You do have to tell the people at Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you buy this kit from, you do have to tell them which color that you want, and then they go and put the color in for you. So I did the navy blue, the Nightfall blue. So the kit includes a deglosser, a bond coat, a decorative glaze, a protective top coat, a scrub pad, glazing cloths, and stir sticks. Alright, so to prep, I went in with the deglosser. It comes with a little scrubby pad. You just put it on, and it's supposed to take the place of sanding. So I went over twice, I believe. So I scrubbed everything with the deglosser, wiped it off with a clean microfiber towel, and then I went back over it a second time once everything dried, again with a deglosser, and repeated the process.
Show me the car where you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, we ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya, and it's hard.
Alright, so step 2 is painting. So once you have everything taped off where you want to go ahead and avoid getting paint. Oh, and by the way, these countertops, these white countertops, they were actually gray, and I spray painted them white using the Rustoleum's appliance epoxy. So I didn't record that, but that's just something helpful, I guess, if you guys want to change your countertops. It's just a spray can. Just be mindful that it does tend to get everywhere, so you might want to get a mask, open a door or window, something like that. But yeah, back to the countertops. So I used a foam roller, and then I used a basic like paintbrush to get into the nooks and crevices. You just want to get into the crevices and everything, the tight spots first, and then go back over with the roller. My only tip would be to not go over too much with the roller, because the paint, the darker the paint, the streakier they can come out looking sometimes if you go over the same spot too many times or you put too much paint on it.
Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know it's ginger how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know it's ginger how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. You should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a cuppa, you get to your clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the call when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it up? Why I like when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind.
Also, here's a little fun hack. So if you're in between coats and you don't want to get rid of your paintbrush, or you want to reuse it at a later date, you can get saran wrap like what I'm using here, or you can get a plastic baggie, a Ziploc bag, something like that. Put the roller in it or wrap it up. I've seen somewhere where they say you can put it in a refrigerator, but honestly, I just left mine out, and it just prevents the paintbrush and the roller from drying out, so you can reuse it.
You should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this.
All right, so the last step in this cabinet transformation is the glaze. Now this part is optional. I just went with it just because I like the satin look of everything. It doesn't make it look so matte. This stuff, you need to be really careful with it. Put it on very lightly, because it can leave your cabinets looking streaky as well, and it's kind of hard to if you make a mistake, it's kind of hard to go back and try to fix it. So I put a little bit on, and then I use the roller to kind of smooth it out some.
Don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby, turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you wanting me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turning me on. The way you telling me you wanting me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real close?
All right, so that was basically the process of how I transform my guest bathroom cabinet using the Rustoleum kit. If you guys want to try it out, I suggest that you do. Since this bathroom is a high traffic area, I will be doing an updated video in about a couple months just to see how it holds up with everyday usage and things of that nature, especially with kids. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a nice comment below, you know. Let me know if you would ever try anything like this. If you're hesitant about trying it, I just say go for it. This is very easy to use. Yeah, I will be doing other videos around my house. I am making over the whole guest bathroom. The vanity was just the first step. So if you like videos like this, stay tuned because I have a lot more coming up with things around the house. Yeah, until next time, take care. I love you guys. Bye.